Welcome to Lesson 5 of your AI Solution Architect training, Advanced Reasoning Techniques. Today, we're covering a technique that will revolutionize the quality of your AI results, chain of thought. Chain of thought? Literally, chain of thought, or in other words, step-by-step reasoning. To understand, let's imagine a scene in a classroom. A student asks, "Teacher, how much is 47 times 23? The teacher answers instantly, 1081. The student is puzzled. Okay, but how? Now, with chain of thought, the student asks the same question. The teacher replies, "Let me show you." Step 1, 47 times 20 equals 940. Step 2, 47 times 3 equals 141. Step 3, 940 plus 141 equals 1081. Answer, 1081. I understand the reasoning now. That's the essence of chain of thought. Asking the AI to show its full reasoning, step by step, before giving the final answer. Why use chain of thought? We're going to look at the 3 major benefits of this technique. We'll explore accuracy, transparency, and debugging. Without chain of thought, AI can make invisible errors. Let's take a concrete example. You ask, a t-shirt costs 15,000 CFA francs. There's a 20% discount, then a 10% tax. What's the final price? The AI answers 13,200 francs. That might be right, but how do you check it? It's impossible to know if the reasoning is correct. With chain of thought, you ask, solve step by step. The AI shows its entire reasoning. Step 1, initial price 15,000 francs. Step 2, 20% discount equals 3,000 francs. Step 3, price after discount 12,000 francs. Step 4, 10% tax equals 1,200 francs. Step 5, final price 13,200 francs. Now you can verify every single step. First benefit, accuracy. Studies show that chain of thought improves accuracy by 30 to 50% on reasoning tasks. Second benefit, transparency. You see exactly how the AI is thinking. No more black box. Third benefit, easy debugging. If the result is wrong, you know exactly which step to fix. The 4 types of chain of thought. We're going to see how to practically apply this technique. The first type is explicit cop. You directly ask for the reasoning with phrases like, solve step by step, show your reasoning, explain your process, or think out loud. See the difference? On the left, a direct answer without explanation. On the right, the complete step-by-step reasoning. The second type is the few-shot COT. You show examples of complete reasoning and the AI naturally mimics this format. The third type is ultra simple. All you have to do is add the magic phrase, let's think step by step. That's the zero-shot COT. The fourth type is the structured COT. You impose a precise structure. Understand, plan, execute, verify, and conclude. This framework forces the AI to check for consistency before concluding clearly. It's the most rigorous method. Now you know the 4 different ways to structure a chain of thought. Choose the one that is best suited for your task. Now we're going to look at even more sophisticated methods to boost your results. First advanced technique, sub-questions. Before answering the main question, ask the AI to answer intermediate questions. For example, for the question, should I launch an AI training program in Cameroon? You break it down into sub-questions. What is the demand? Who are the competitors? What are my advantages? What are the costs? What is the revenue potential? What are the risks? Second technique, integrative verification. Ask the AI to validate the consistency of each step. The AI calculates, then asks itself, is this result logical? If some seems off, it recalculates. This self-verification catches many errors. Third technique, analogy. The AI first solves a simple analogy before applying the same logic to the original problem. This clarifies the solution tremendously. For example, to structure an e-commerce database, the AI uses the analogy of a physical store. The aisles become tables and the products become records. This analogy makes the solution obvious. Fourth technique, multipath COT. The AI explores several reasoning paths in parallel and chooses the best conclusion. It's formidable for complex problems. These techniques will make you a true expert. Practice them to see the power of AI reasoning. Let's look at a complete practical case. You're launching an online prompt engineering course in Cameroon with a budget of 500,000 CFA francs and a 2-month deadline. The AI first analyzes the target market, IT professionals, tech students, entrepreneurs. It identifies their presence on Facebook and LinkedIn. Then it defines the positioning. The most practical AI training in Cameroon. The USP is clear. Go from zero to employable in just 3 weeks. Next, it details the channels. 60% of the budget on Facebook ads because that's where the audience is. She precisely allocates the 500,000 CFA francs. She then creates an 8-week timeline from preparation to intensive launch. Everything is planned, day by day. Finally, she defines the success KPIs and validates the feasibility. Realistic budget? Yes. Feasible deadline? Yes. Final recommendation? Go. See the difference? With structured COT, you don't just have a list, but a complete, justified, and immediately actionable strategy. When to use chain of thought. Knowing when to use this technique is as important as knowing how to use it. Use chain of thought for logic problems, complex decisions, and when you need transparency. Avoid it for simple tasks or pure creativity. Key points to remember. COT improves accuracy by 30 to 50% on complex tasks. Remember the 4 types and the magic phrase, let's think step by step. You now master one of the most powerful techniques in prompt engineering. Thank you for following this lesson. Apply these principles starting today. See you very soon.